We know you watching our videos because just last week, hey, check out that video right there.
Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we trying to do.
Come on, man. Too easy. Too easy.
On this video, we got that what? That weekly
Heat.
heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly
Heat.
So I'm going to start off, my brother.
So on May the 11th, we do have the Jordan 1 Low OG Shadow. This does come at a price point of $140. This shoe has already a shock drop before, and it's finally coming out. It's been pushed back. It's finally being released for everyone. I think this is a clean, simple shoe. Predominantly the shoe is black and gray. Does have that white midsole on the back. We do see that OG branding that we're accustomed to seeing on all Jordan Low OGs. Along the side, we do have that gray swoosh. It's not the oversized swoosh, but it is gray, as well as along the heel and back tab are also gray. Along the front, we do see the toe box is gray as well. I do think this is a nice touch for the shoe. Move around to the bottom of the shoe, we have the black outsole. Do think that's a nice touch. You don't have to worry about the outsole getting dirty, so I do like that.
Sock liner is black as well. I do think that's a nice touch.
Overall, this is just a clean and simple shoe. However, this shoe is already going under retail. My size 10 on StockX is going for $117. Retail is $140, like I said. I do expect these to be an easy cop. If you want these, go in and scoop these up, sneakerheads.
Yeah, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Hey, a nice colorway. Nice colorway. I will be rocking those as well. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But I will be rocking those, my brother. We know you watching our videos because just last week, hey, check out that video right there. Right, just last week we was like, come on, Jordan Brand, we only got one shoe this week, but then the following week you go drop 5 shoes. So I know you guys are listening. Hey,
yes, sir.
Jordan Brand, hey, ship us a pair of shoes and let us do the reviews for you. Yes, sir. And if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you bless,
hey, bless others. Peace.